What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. Are you finding yourself having a lot of red trades and making bad decisions on where to exit and enter trades? Or even if you are up and you're giving your profit back, or it even lands you in the red after being up green? The answer is very simple. You have to go back to basics. So stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. So stay tuned. Most courses I've done, although the courses are great, a lot of courses I've noticed is they don't go into full detail about candle patterns. They'll give you the basics on candles, and I don't know why they won't go into full detail on candle patterns and how you can take advantage of them. This cost me quite a lot of money when I first began my career. I thought I understood candle patterns. I found it the hard way. I didn't have a clue into the candle patterns, and that was just me getting super honest with myself and finding it the hard way to say, Flash, you don't understand candle patterns and you don't know what's going on here. I decided to scroll through YouTube for hours upon hours upon hours till eventually I learned how to read candle patterns correctly and how the patterns can help you enter and exit trades and get green. Over the past few months, myself and my team have designed a whole course on how to read and understand and take advantage of Japanese candle patterns. The course is designed to help you understand and identify the candle patterns and the story that each Japanese candle is telling, and how to take advantage of that in your trades in terms of exiting and entering trades. I 100% believe that this course will help you become a better trader in terms of confidence and an understanding of how Japanese candle patterns can improve your trading dramatically. If you are looking to save time and save money and want the answers straight away, and you don't want to sift through YouTube for hours upon hours upon hours, I assure you this is the course for you. The course consists of a full in-depth description, video lesson library of Japanese candle patterns and how to take advantage of them. You get a 30-minute coaching call with myself where we can go over any issues you may be having in the stock market and prepare a full plan for yourself going forward in the future. There's also a PDF cheat sheet I like to use of patterns and breakouts. This will help you identify them on your journey. And you also get exclusive access to my Facebook group where you get to surround yourself by like-minded individuals and get to be in a community of people who want to succeed in the stock market. So guys, I really hope you all enjoy this. If you are interested in taking part, click the link below. I'm open to your feedback and I really want to be part of your journey along the way to help you succeed a lot faster than I did, to get you on the green a lot faster than I did. Take my word for it. I've already received great feedback. The reviews are in the link below. Go have a look at them before you decide to take the plunge. I want to thank you guys so much for your support so far in terms of my YouTube and my stock journey so far. It's really important for me to be involved in your stock journey along your way. I want to be part of your success story and I want to help you to want to be there for you the way people weren't there for me, and I really do mean that. So guys, if you are interested in taking the plunge into educating yourself a little bit further in terms of Japanese candles, I can guarantee you with this knowledge, this will certainly benefit your trading performance. So guys, get and click that link. God bless.